Can anybody hear me?
Yep.
Can I just say as well, I'm really honoured that you asked me to do this. I can't believe you do this.
Nice to have someone with an age.
Irishmen and Irish women, in the name of God and the dead generations from which she receives her old tradition of nationhood, Ireland, through us, summons her children to her flag and strikes for her freedom. Having organised and trained her manhood through her secret revolutionary organisation, the Irish Republican Brotherhood, and through her open military organisations, the Irish Volunteers and the Irish Citizen Army, having patiently perfected her discipline, having resolutely waited for the right moment to reveal itself, she now seizes that moment, and supported by her exiled children in America and by gallant allies in Europe, but relying in the first on her own strength, she strikes in full confidence of victory. We declare the right of the people of Ireland to the ownership of Ireland and to the unfettered control of Irish destinies, to be sovereign and indefeasible. The long usurpation of that right by a foreign people and government has not extinguished the right, nor can it ever be extinguished, except by the destruction of the Irish people. In every generation, the Irish people have asserted their right to national freedom and sovereignty. 6 times during the past 300 years, they have asserted it in arms, standing on that fundamental right and again asserting it in arms in the face of the world. We hereby proclaim the Irish Republic as a sovereign, independent state, and we pledge our lives and the lives of our comrades in arms to the cause of its freedom and of its welfare, and of its exaltation among the nations. The Irish Republic is entitled to, and hereby claims, the allegiance of every Irishman and Irish woman. The Republic guarantees religious and civil liberty, equal rights, and equal opportunity to all citizens, and declares its resolve to pursue the happiness and prosperity of the whole nation and of all its parts, cherishing all the children of the nation equally, and oblivious of the differences carefully fostered by an alien government, which had divided and inherited from the majority of the past. Until our arms have brought the opportunity of establishment of a permanent national government, representative of the whole people of Ireland, and elected by the suffrages of all remaining women, the provisional government, hereby constituted, will administer the civil and military affairs of the Republic in trust for the people. We place the cause of the Irish Republic under the protection of the Most High God, whose blessing we invoke upon our arms, and we pray that no one who serves that cause will dishonour it by cowardice, inhumanity, or rapine. In this supreme hour, the Irish nation must, by its valour and discipline, and by the readiness of its children to sacrifice themselves for the common good, prove itself worthy of the august destiny to which it is called. It was signed on the behalf of the Provisional Government by Thomas J. Clarke, Sean McDiarmid, Padraig Pearse, James Conway, Thomas McDonagh, Eamon Kearns, and Joseph Trumpet.
Os gen rhywun isio dod fyny i siarad, would anyone else to come up and speak? Just one shy. What's your name, sir?
Introduce yourself and there you go.
Hi everybody. You've heard mention of O'Donovan Russell and Padraig Pearse as a graveside oration. And I'd now like to recite the last part of that oration. Many of you will have heard this many times before. Life springs from death, and from the graves of patriot men and women spring new nations. The defenders of this realm have worked well, both in the open and in secret. They think they have pacified Ireland. They think they have purchased half of us. and they have intimidated the other half. But the fools, the fools, the fools, they have left our Fenian dead. And where Ireland holds these graves, then Ireland unfree will never be at peace.
Very good.